today I'm going to be making a cake. So here's the things you're going to need. So the first thing, you're going to need some bicarbonate soda and a teaspoon of vanilla, some milk, some Coca-Cola, some cocoa powder, some caster sugar, some self-raising flour, some butter and 2 eggs. And moving on to the icing, you are going to need some cocoa powder again, some Coke, some icing sugar, some butter, can't forget about your spatula. And so now you're going to put all of these ingredients in the bowl, but only cocoa, sugar, flour, and the soda thingy, whatever I said at the beginning. So let's mix them into the bowl. So the first thing you're going to do is put the cocoa, in the thing. A little tap tap. And you might want to have a teaspoon. You might want to have a teaspoon for this, because for the lumps at the end. So I'm just mashing up all of those lumps, so it'll go in easier. And it's fine if those bits don't want to go in. So the next thing that you want to do is put your soda thingy in. So the degree that you want the oven to be in is 180. So I'm just turning that on. So now my oven is going to get hot. So now I'm going to add the butter into the hot pan. You might want to ask a grown-up to help you, but my dad is right next to me, so it's fine. And you're also going to want to add your Coke to the butter in the pan. And then you want to you're going to want to give it a mix. So my dad is going to pour in the liquid that we've been baking. So now we are going to add our milk. Two mixed up eggs. And now you're going to want to add a teaspoon of vanilla.
Over the bowl.
Alright, so I'm just going to put that over the bowl just in case I spill. Sorry if that noise in the background, guys. That smells so good. So wash. So now, okay, so now we are going to be just finishing off the icing. So we're going to pour all of our icing sugar into the bowl.
Poppy, go!
This has gone completely wrong. I did not know I was going to do that.
Oh my god! How many times have we tried to do this video today?
About 3.
Come on, let's get the tempo up, please.
Pops, leave that now.
Okay. So, what are we going to do now?
Okay, talk.
So we're going to pour this in,
Oh.
like brown poop. But guys, it isn't poop, by the way. Now, hopefully you don't make such a mess like me. If you can, guys. So now I'm going to mix it up with my spoon.
Okay.
This is amazing. Look, it looks like snow and chocolate sauce all mixed together.
You might find you need to use a whisk.
Oh, my arms are aching.
Your arms are aching, I expect so. Now this is going to turn really lumpy.